right?
Yeah.
I just don't know how to act.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I have with me
Gabby,
aka
Honey65.
her Instagram will be in the description box below. So today we're gonna get ready with us and we're doing 21 questions.
2 rules to the games. We have 2 passes each. So if the question too hard, pass, and you got 2 ricochets, which is just to return the question. And a disclaimer, please do not judge me. I do not know anything about makeup. I even have my brushes labeled because I don't know how to use them, so don't judge me.
First of all, I should say this is not a makeup tutorial.
It is not a makeup tutorial.
This is
at all.
fun. This
Period.
is entertainment.
It's true. So don't come for me, please.
How do you stay positive when faced with hard times?
Jesus.
Think, girl.
I get my strength from the Lord, basically. So, alright, the wind is being rude. We outside. You wanted to do something different today. When faced with hard times, I stay positive by, having a strong support system and going to the Word of God. That's basically it. Because sometimes you get so into your head, all the negativity, whether it's coming from people or from within your head. So the good way to drown that out is with the Word of God. Okay, you. What are 2 things you should know how to do but you can't?
I got that question. I got that question. I can't plot here.
You serious?
Ooh!
I can only do singles.
Me too.
And I can't swim.
Girl, we know that we would die together here in singles and all. You like to get me talking so I don't start my makeup, but it's alright.
Have you ever fell down and tell me?
Big man, listen to me, right? If you're asking my business like this. Once in secondary school. Next.
Explain.
Alright, so I was going town a Saturday. Me and some of my friends at the time used to go town on Saturdays. And I was getting ready to go shout this dude I like. And when I was getting even big man, I made guard. Yeah, I fell.
At the Vanguard?
Yeah, but I don't like to think about that time in my life.
I would cry.
I be crying on the inside.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine.
Yeah.
When you're not really fine, but you just can't get
Alright. Next question. What is something you've done that you wish you could undo? Or someone? Miss Man. Haven't we all been there?
I had a lot of insecurity issues, so I make a lot of dumb decisions because I was insecure.
Yeah.
So some of them decisions I would like to undo, but they made me who I am.
Exactly. Mistakes make us.
So
Period.
I guess I will not really undo. I will undo doing science at school. That was a waste of my time. That was a waste.
That was such a weird, like.
Why did I do that? I should have gone in business class. My mother was like, "You could be a doctor," and I was like, "Okay." Knowing full well, I don't want to be a doctor. But don't watch my face. I'm on track right now. That's all that matters. You get me? I met some amazing. Some amazing people in science. Play science, y'all already know what's going on.
Okay.
A moment that you don't want ever forget.
Woo! Okay.
I know that. I feel like I know this one.
I was overseas with my bae, and like the whole entire time there was fun, but like this one moment was just extremely special. We had a bonfire. I like to call it a bonfire fire because I was leaving, so our friends and stuff were there. Like in the midst of everything, all the craziness, the preparation, everything like that, like he just took my hand and he took me away. And he like, like how you give people a promise ring? He made this like really special promise with a bracelet, and it was the sweetest thing because it was like just so unexpected and it was so genuine and it was emotional for us both. So that was like a moment I would never, because I have a really bad memory, but that's a moment I would never, ever want to forget.
That's sweet. I can cry. I don't know.
We ain't crying in this video. We cry after. What's something that most people think about you that is absolutely not true?
That I mean,
Say
that
it
I
now.
don't mean, I really do. But I'm telling you, the meanest looking people is the nicest people you will ever meet. If you come and talk to me, I can be laughing, I'm smiling. You can see hella gums, like just say hi to me. And sometimes they be like, just talk to me. Because I be seeing people staring at me and
Now
I'm
you
just
got
like,
your face like, when people don't approach me,
yo,
why
my
you
face
look
is
so cruel?
bang.
Yeah. I guess that's way
But talk to me.
unapproachable.
That's the moral of the story, okay?
Talk to me.
What was the best advice you were ever given?
Okay, I think this is like the most important advice ever, and people might think it's cliche, but like always be yourself. Like literally, no matter what the situation is, don't let anybody get you out of character. Whether it's that they anger you, they upset you, or if you're trying to fit in or whatever. Like whatever the case, always be yourself. Be yourself. Like literally, be yourself.
Cause like we just struggle with being ourselves. And we just try to fit in with people that we want to be with friends, when we could get real friends by being ourselves.
A friend hurt you?
Yeah. I tell you, big man, I get this story times. But these
Barbie, it's too small to do story times. People be putting two and two together like,
Facts,
oh,
though. Facts.
that's so and so
That's
for no
so-
so and so and that's
cause-
so and so. If you could jump into a pool full of something, what would it be?
money.
Okay.
Glitter. I love glitter. I love glitter. Like honestly,
You want cray?
because glitter, I love glitter. It's actually a very unhealthy obsession. Like honestly, if I could, like,
That's your
be in
signature,
glitter,
though.
I love glitter.
Like in your makeup
Yeah.
tutorials and stuff?
Doesn't that me happy?
Aww.
I love glitter. Like I want to go Coachella so bad because like I want to do the most.
We could just have a themed party and do the we ain't gonna we gonna I tell you.
I mean,
I tell you to wait here till
she is the queen
of extra.
theme.
I love a themed anything.
Period.
Period.
What is your toxic trait?
Ooh, my toxic trait. Isolating myself. I think that's it. Yeah, when I got burned. I wasn't always like this, but like when I got burned, it's like, you know what, let me just
Disappear.
yeah. And I mean, like, I get that there is a difference between isolation and solitude, but I'm telling you, it is the isolation on my end, and that's something I am working on. But yeah, Ricochet, what's your toxic trait?
I just literally shut down. Like I just like it's very, very, very unhealthy. Like if you hurt my feelings in these places, I'm a very emotional person. If you barely see any wrong things in me, like I will literally go in my room, shut my door, shut all the windows, pull back the curtains, and like you ain't gonna hear me for the rest of the day. I ain't want to talk to my mother. I want to talk to my sister, my father, nobody.
Oh,
if
babe.
you message me, these who's get me upset and make me emotional. But it don't be nothing bad that is
I
happening.
understand. It's
Like,
because when you got
I
a
don't
love or a
know.
special connection to some person, like the
Anything
slightest
that do-
thing they do,
Like
would
if I
trigger
get a
you.
yeah instead of yes, it's like
No, man. No, you can't be one of them people.
I can feel the different tone in your voice. Like what is going on? Yeah, but we're working on it.
Good, that's
We're
the
working on
important
it.
thing. We are self-aware and we are working on our toxic trait.
You know,
Comment yours. What is your toxic trait?
facts, because everybody has them. And if you don't, you
Well,
got hella.
kudos to you.
No, everybody got toxic.
I know,
traits.
if they don't,
so,
then,
so
you
it's
know.
like you fake.
I do believe we can reach a point where we don't, but I do believe that's possible. I think it's just about having the right people in your corner who could like you know when you
And that's
got
a very
someone
hard
to
thing.
work
Yeah,
on,
that's a very hard thing.
and who could be gentle.
Yeah.
The Bible says to restore your brother gently. Don't tell him, man, big man, you do bear job, blah, blah, blah.
Yeah.
Depends on the relationship you have with the person.
What was your first impression of me?
Sis? Alright, I gotta tell them how I met you. So we were at Luau. And what was I doing? Oh, I was getting ready to change off into my bikini. And our friend Zawadi, she was there by the bathroom. And she was like, oh, my friend in the bathroom changing. So I was like, oh, okay, cool. And when this girl opened the door, like I heard the angels sing. I was like, she is so beautiful. Sis face beats at the gods because you had glitter everywhere.
No, there was another function. Yeah, I remember.
I was like, hi, like, hello. And like throughout the rest of the night, like you just had this energy that was real contagious.
Yeah.
It was real nice because me and the other girls were like, we really like Zawadi's friend Daniela. So yeah, we jumped pretty quickly.
Yeah,
pretty quickly.
Fast.
Like real quick.
I was like, first of all, I was like, when I was recording Gabby because she was doing the most.
First of all, people on YouTube don't need to know that.
Sorry, she was.
I was chilling.
She was. You know. What is Gabby doing? I was like, this girl is like really having the time of her life. Yeah, like her. I was like, yo, I like, oh, she pretty, so pretty and so nice.
Don't do that.
It was
crazy.
crazy. On camera. I cried already.
You always cry. I never thought I would meet somebody that cries faster than I do. Like, I love it. One thing you have never admitted out loud. My feet are sweating.
I could do like a secret.
When I thought of this question, I was like, my man don't call. Can you say everything? I don't really don't tell. So like, yeah.
I have a very unhealthy obsession with looking at IG bodies. Like, if you're pretty and you live in Barbados, there is a 99% chance I look at every single picture.
Hide your kids, hide your wife.
Hide your kids, hide your wife, and hide your husband.
But so if I see on my explore page and you're pretty, again on click.
She shoot on that you can't speak English.
That's cute. That's nice.
And I don't like men. I just.
So you a hater?
I'm not hater. It's not me happy. I just be like, yo, she's so pretty and she just living she best life. Look at she.
Let's don't do the comparison game, boo. Cause
I
know, like,
girl, yeah.
That used to be me, like sis so beautiful. Like, why can't I be?
That's crazy.
Cause I sweet.
Period. Who was your worst teacher and why? You can say the subject. You don't have to say the name because it's no Barbara. It's small. We can know. I don't find out.
Alexandra. I probably shouldn't have said that. I never really had bad teachers, just the ones that went on strike and left us stranded when we were preparing for CSCs. But other than that, worst teacher.
You was a teacher's pet?
I wasn't a teacher's pet, but let me tell you why I don't think I have like a worst teacher, because my friends and I at the time were what you call clowns. So we laughed at everything. Everything was a joke. So whenever we were scolded, Mommy, if you see this, I just talking joke for you too. This is not true. I was a good student.
Why you always lying?
So like whenever like teachers were like, come in like 1A, 2, because I was the first one class, was in like ready and like fuming. A couple teachers that even cried. We just used to be like what I gotta do with me. So I don't think I ever had like a worse teacher, because I think the teachers at my school all tried their best. I can still try not to like judge the ones that ditch us. But like I don't think I had like a bad teacher. Oh, if it asked me BCC.
So right teacher period in life.
Oh, I was thinking secondary school. BCC. The subject was government and politics. Next question.
Next question.
Describe me in 5 words.
Beautiful. Inside and out. Y'all won't understand.
Don't make me cry.
Like, she's so gorgeous. And she's just so nice. And it's crazy. I'm not gonna cry. She was like, what is happening?
Thank you. I was like, what's going on?
But she is so gorgeous. Adventurous, because she down for
anything. I used to be scared on my mind,
like,
but
she gonna tell you she loves story guys when she got she YouTube channel. But that was crazy.
Yeah.
I let her Gabby play now. She think they still on eyebrow #1.
But to be honest, is that my eyebrows are like trash, especially this one. I don't know what's going on there, and I just left in it. I just leave it. I got fixed out now.
Don't worry. Don't worry about it.
Absolutely, I ain't got my favorites, but cool. But thank you, boo. Like honestly,
beautiful
for seeing me for who I am.
Beautiful, adventurous, goofy. Goofy. me. Inspirational.
How so?
When you feel if you walk with God so strong and so nice, and I just be like, I want to be like Gabby and that.
My strength is from the Lord, cause like it's be hard.
It does.
It is hard to live a life for God. Days when you got like so many different influences, so I can't take credit for that one. That is all Jehovah.
You sure can look forward to beautiful adventure.
That's fine. That's fine.
All of your friends that I met, so that's Portia, Naomi, Zawadi, Naomi's sister.
You met Taisha, I think.
Yes, Taisha. Who would be the first? I mean, who would be first to die in a horror film?
In a horror film?
Yeah.
I don't know. I feel like you.
Somebody say what?
I feel like you would be crying and like we would be like big man like team behind you and you're like, but I really do want that, and then you're gone.
On the contrary, I got excellent survival skills.
For real?
Deadass. I don't mind eating a lizard if I gotta survive in the jungle.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
I would die first because I don't like running. Like I got heart problems. I would just be like, no.
Oh. Because I was still like, here laughing and like,
Are you serious?
I can't run for long periodical times. I can't. I would just get sick and just be like, look, come and eat me. Come and kill me.
like kill me. I think at times I just feel like that. Like it's honestly like you know you would want to survive. But like if I go on one like a long distance, like it's like alright, honestly though, look, come for me and they can tell you who to take on next. Like alright, she fast, she slow, like don't waste time on that one.
She can swim.
Yeah.
She can't swim, so just catch her by some water. She can lay
Some friends are we. I tell you, funny, tell you know every credit is like, oh my gosh, like.
Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I have with me. You
You want to pause and chat these videos? Because I go back my beauty plan